it's Jeremy from Fasciitis Podiatry. Today I'm going to be talking about something called the Fasciitis Fighter. That's the thing I've got here. We use this tool for, depending on the patient, but it will eventually come into, a patient's treatment plan. So yeah, I'm just going to demo it first and I'll talk through kind of what it does. Pretty much strengthens that fascia, so the bottom of your foot, just by doing, so that's 1 rep there. So it's a strengthening tool that we use. Of course, someone that has 10 out of 10 pain, I wouldn't automatically go to this, but it's something that we can add in to a patient's treatment plan. As well as other things that we do here. It's something that would benefit a lot of people. So if you have any sort of foot pain, heel pain, doesn't have to be plantar fasciitis, which is a pretty common thing, but anything like that, we specialize in foot pain. So if you have any sort of things like that, where we are, Fasciitis Podiatry. Give us a call, and we're happy to help you out. Thanks.